Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Everything Online. I am your instructor Sarvari Joshi and you're welcome in my math segment. Let's have some fun today. Let's see some maths puzzles today and let's solve them with our friends without using Google, okay? Puzzle number 1. What are the three positive integers whose sum is 43 and the sum of the cubes of the three integer is 17299 square? Puzzle number 2. Can you tell what is heavier, a cup of lump sugar or a cup of powder sugar? Puzzle number 3. 24 children are attending a flag hoisting ceremony. How can you arrange them in 6 rows with each row comprising of 5 students? Puzzle number 4. Here is a light switch. Please note the order of the positions. If the light is now at medium and it is switched 3922 times, what will be the position of the switch? Puzzle number 5. What is the sum of all numbers between 100 and 1000 which are divisible by 14? Share these puzzles with your friend and try to solve these puzzles and have some fun. Do comment your answers in the comment section and I will also give the right answers in the comment section. Enjoy solving the puzzles. So did you find this video helpful? Solve this kind of sums and share this video with all your friends. Do comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also turn on the bell icon. Bye bye.